80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. In other words, the 80% of your outcomes will come from 20% of your input. What is this 80-20 rule? What is this Pareto principle? Let us look at this principle and the logic behind these numbers of 80-20. And rest assured that by end of this video you will have good understanding on this 80-20 rule. So without wasting any further time, let's start our video. So if you are watching this video for the first time on my YouTube channel, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and do press that bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you are notified. Where I regularly post videos related to Six Sigma, lean manufacturing, project management and business management. So coming back to this topic, so 80-20 rule, which is also known as the Pareto principle, is named after the Wilfred Pareto, who observed that in 1906 in Italy, the 80% of the land in Italy was owned by 20% of the population. So this led to the concept which derived the 80-20 rule. Pareto principle roughly states that 80% of your efforts come from 20% of the causes. He noticed that people in society seems to be divided naturally into what he called as the vital few, or the top 20% in terms of the money and the influence, and the tribal many, or the bottom 80%. After his realization of 80-20 pattern, Pareto started to think about the uneven distribution and discovered that the different industries also follow the same pattern, when the generalization became this universal truth. So what does this 80-20 mean to you? So from a company's perspective, it means that the 80% of the sales is generated by the 20% of the customers. It also means that 80% of your efforts are derived from 20% of your employees. It also means that 80% of your problems are from 20% of your customers. It also means that 80% of your output is coming from 20% of your input. So from a day-to-day life perspective, let us look at some examples here. 20% of the food that you will eat 80% of the time. 80% of your grocery bills will come from 20% of the items. You probably will only wear 20% of the clothes in your wardrobe 80% of your time. 20% of my subscribers will either comment, like and share 80% of your times. And you want to prove me wrong by subscribing to my YouTube channel, adding comments below, like this video and share this with all your friends. 80% of the success can be attributable to less than 20% of the utilization of brain. I wanted to do this from long time to include this section called the comment of the week. So what I will be doing in this section is that I will be posting the best comments that I will be getting on my YouTube videos, and I will pick the best one and make sure I will publish that comment. So if you want your comment to feature here in this section, make sure you leave your thoughts, your comments, what you like about this video, what you don't like about this video, is any specific topic on which you want me to make a video on. All that valuable suggestions you can post down there in the comment section below. And I do read each and every comment, and I will always respond to each and every comment. Your valuable sessions will motivate me to bring more videos to you. So from the last week, we have received very good feedback from Taj. So congrats Taj for being nominated as the comment of the week for this week. So if you are still watching this video, make sure you hit that like button as well. That will motivate me to work more and bring more videos to you. Let us do a quick recap of what we learned. So the Pareto principle, or the 80-20 rule, is a simple concept to understand and to think about, but it is difficult to apply in real life. The universal truth about the imbalance of input and output is what it became known as the Pareto principle, or the 80-20 rule, which was given by Wilfred Pareto. While it doesn't always come to be exactly 80-20, sometimes it can be 90-10 or it can be 70-30. But the imbalance is often seen in various industries. Some of the examples which I've just shared are the perfect examples of the 80-20 in day-to-day life and in business environment as well. So that is all on 80-20 or the Pareto principle. So before you leave this video, make sure you watch all these 4 videos which are displaying right now on your screen. And do share this video with all your friends and colleagues. Thank you.